Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 12.2.8 and we are going to use ping and traceroute. So in this lab you will discover important facts about network communications by using the ping and traceroute command. So IT laptop has a configured IP address but no default gateway address. Use the exhibit link at the top right to view the location and IP information of the routers in your network. So the following local network IP addresses are used in this lab. All right, so we were given the table that we are going to be using. So let's see. Complete this lab from the IT laptop system. Explore using the ping command under the IT administration. Select the IT laptop. Okay, so let's see what other tasks we have here. Okay, so I guess we'll go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also like and subscribe to the channel so you have access to a wide variety of educational video material to help you in your educational journey. So the lab is loaded. Let's go ahead and start up with the first task. So from the IT laptop system, explore using the ping command. So we'll go to IT laptop, we select it. I will enter into the terminal and then we type in ping. What are we pinging? We're pinging -C4 and space 192.168.0.30 and we're going to press enter. Okay, so from the table, okay, so we press enter and then we ping the second one, which is -C4 space 199 rather .92.0.0.32 and you press enter. Alright, so we ping again. This time around we're pinging -C4 space 192.168.0.5 and then you press enter. Alright, so we ping again. This time around we're pinging -C4 space 192.198 rather 163 rather .128.78.93 and you press enter. Let's see. Is anything we need to bring it in? Okay, 0 received, 100% per colors. Time is 96 milliseconds. And then you type in cd space / etc / sysconfig / network dash scripts, and then you press enter. And then you type in ls and you press enter, and you type in CAT space IF CFG dash ENP to 0, and then you press enter, and let's see. Is anything we're missing here? Not missing anything. So let's go to floor 1 overview and go to office 2. Is it office 2? Let's see. Yeah, office 2. And then you open terminal, and go ahead and type in traceroute space 198.28.56.1, and you press enter. And then you type in traceroute space 163.128.78.93. You press enter. Okay, so I guess we are done. We'll go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Also consider joining my professional membership to get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, no matter how complicated it is. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.